What's up guys, this is your chef Jaspeer and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today we are going to make a 4-cheese pasta which is inspired from Cheesecake Factory. And this pasta is super easy to make, so if you want to learn, watch this video till the end. I like this recipe because of 2 reasons. First, this recipe is super easy to make, and second, the process I am going to show is the easiest pasta recipe. So the first step is to boil the pasta. So we are going to boil the pasta till al dente. And the next step is to mix all the ingredients into a bowl. So we will add our pasta, our sauce and all the cheese with the spices, and we are going to mix it, and that's it.